Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Save work and close heavy apps to reduce interruptions. Open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC, find Windows Explorer in Processes, then right-click and choose End Task to stop the frozen UI. Once Explorer exits, click File, right arrow, Run New Task, type explorer.exe and press Enter to relaunch the shell. This restarts the taskbar and often clears transient hangs. If you see elevated prompts, allow them. This reinitializes the interface while keeping your session intact and quick. Next, you'll isolate background services and extensions that commonly freeze the taskbar. Open System Configuration, emsconfig, switch to Selective Startup and uncheck non-Microsoft services, then restart to test. If that helps, re-enable groups to identify the culprit. For context menu or taskbar add-ons, run shell xview and disable third-party shell extensions one by one. Make sure to disable only non-Microsoft entries. Once you identify the extension or service, keep it disabled or update the finish by repairing system integrity and isolating profile issues. Open an elevated command prompt or PowerShell, run sfc/scano to fix corrupted files, then run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. If the taskbar still freezes, create a new local user to see if the problem is profile-specific. If the new account is stable, migrate your data. As a last resort, use System Restore to a known good point or perform a Windows reset, but back up files first. Troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to test whether third-party software is the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.